guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, my name is Rosemary and I record what goes on in my life. If you're a current subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make some hot chocolate cocoa bombs. Super easy, super simple, and super fast to do. These are all the ingredients that you will need. We're going to start off by melting our chocolate. I have a couple videos on how to melt chocolate. I'll leave them down below in the description. I also have a playlist with all my baking and cooking videos, so you guys can go check that out. We're going to start off by adding our chocolate into our molds. Make sure to cover the entire mold, otherwise your chocolate will break. I usually give mine like little taps to just spread the chocolate. Also, I do one at a time just because I feel like it's easier for me. When I do multiples, the chocolate goes everywhere and it gets super, super, super messy. So I just do one at a time. I've also seen people cut their molds, so you could also do that if you would like. So when you're done spreading your chocolate, you could just pop it in the freezer for about 5 minutes. This is what I mean when I say it gets super messy, but if it happens, you could just use a napkin and just wipe it right off. Now we're going to add our second coat. Just get a small spoon. Make sure to get a good amount of chocolate all around it and on the borders, just to make sure that your ball won't break when you're taking it out. And then just pop it back in the freezer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Taking the ball out, I would say, is honestly the easiest thing out of this whole entire process. It just pops right out. Now to get that clean look, you're gonna want to put a plate in the microwave for about 1.5 or 2 minutes and just twist or turn the ball onto the plate. Like I did in the video. For the second ball, I didn't do that step because it was pretty clean. The third ball that I grabbed did break when I was taking it out, but I still wanted to try to see if I was still able to fix it and still be able to do it, which was a complete fail because I tried fixing it with chocolate and it didn't work. You guys will see that in the bloopers. For the chocolate, you could either use chocolate Cortez or Nesquik, whichever one you like best. So I added 1 tablespoon of chocolate. My cocoa bombs are actually the mini ones. That's why I went for that amount. After you add your chocolate, you can just add your marshmallows. I didn't really count them. I just added some till it just looked full. Now to seal your cocoa bombs, just do the same method with the plate and just place it together and kind of like squeeze it a little bit. Not too hard because you don't want your ball to break. I'm sorry, my hand was in the way. I didn't realize until now. But now just for decorations, I melted some red chocolate and some green chocolate since I am doing Christmas themed, and then I just drizzled some lines on them, and then I added some sprinkles. The sprinkles that I added was red sprinkles, candy canes, and these little light bulbs. I got the sprinkles from Walmart. I added my cocoa bombs to cupcake cups. And then I added some gold edible glitter just to make them look more pretty. And then I placed them inside a small box, and in that box I added some marshmallows, and then the little spoons are candy canes, and I got those from Dollar Tree. The spoons were extra, but I thought it would be really cute and it would be a really cool idea to use that as a spoon to mix the cocoa bombs, and also you could eat it. So yeah, this is a video that I got off my phone. This is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on those post notifications because I will be dropping in bangers back to back. Without further ado, I'm out. Peace.
go sit down.